Hello friends, welcome to Sri Keetan Arts and Craft channel. Before that, please subscribe this channel. Today, we are going to paint with watercolor. In watercolor, we will be using more water with color. Let's start giving the bird. First, give yellow on the top and merge with pink color. Like this. Use more water so that it merge well. And again yellow, then green. With dark green, give an outline for the both sides. Like this. And now for the tail, this side dark green and that side light green. And now for the stem. For the branches of the tree, give light brown, dark brown and black. Apply color on and on. After the color dry, you have to apply more so that you will be getting darkness. Like this. Now with black and brown, give for the legs and for the beak. Merge black and brown together. Like this. And now for the eyes, leave a little white round and start filling with black. And now make the beak and the leg some dark. And now our picture gets ready. Enjoy and fun with colors. Try your best and thank you for watching this video.